Look at that. Boo. Look at this. We about to replace these fog lights. See how ugly they are. That shit is yellow. And it's gonna be pink. It's gonna be pink LEDs in both. See how that one's off? That one's off. Shit don't work. This one's on. See, factory one. Shit's ugly as hell. Shit's a little darker for you. You know what I'm saying? Look at it. Yeah. Ugly. Ugly. We about to put some LEDs in them. Start this shit. If you want to be on the safe side and disconnect the negative terminal first, because you know you're dealing with electric and shit, you could do that. You're gonna need your goggles. You're gonna get under there. You don't want any dirt going in your eye. Shit hurts. Happened to me a couple times. Start this shit, man. Let's start this. Some people will go up here. I mean, not up here.
What?
Right here on the side to do it. Just take this clip off and the clip over there. Take it off, back it out and do it. But I'm gonna go under a little faster. You can use a ramp if you want. I use a ramp or jack it up. So let's go under. Flash. All right, see, we got 10s over here. 110, 210, and you might not have to take that off, but yeah, let's take it off. That's part of the splash shield. I'll take that shit off. Not these. Take off these 3. Got my 10 right here. Drill. You know the deal. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. Sometimes these shit be breaking. Sometimes they be breaking. These are going smooth. I like it. I like it. I like it. Alright. Ready. Now let's back this up. Back this out. Oh yeah, you have to take off the clip. I forgot about that. You gotta remove this clip over here. Take this off. Okay. Pull this back. Okay. Don't lose that. You're gonna need that for later. Well, to put it back on there. Okay, now let's push it back. Let's put this back first. Right here. Start over here. This back, flathead. See? Back. So now let's go under. Grab the bulb. These bulbs are H8. If you didn't know. H8 bulb. See, it's right there. Okay, see? Bulb is right there. Let's fix that shit off. Okay. There's your bulb. Boom, boom. Okay, so when you pull it off, this is it. See? H8. If you didn't know the bulb size. H8. Okay, now let's get the LEDs. These are LEDs. I don't know why it's a flash on. Okay, these are LEDs. So it's going to be pink. So it's the stock bulb. You see before and after. There you go. Alright, let's put this bulb in inside the back. It's plug and play, so just push it in, twist it, and plug it here. The factory harness is right here. Put that, boom. You'll see. And this is after. Look at that. Look at that shit. Pink. Okay, now let's do the other side. I should do the other side first so I can show you the difference, but I'm gonna put the stock bulb on that side to show you. Of course, this side is different. This shit broke. So I probably could reach in there with my hand. But same thing as the other side. Take off these 10s. There should be a 10 over here, 10 over here, and over here. Okay. Take off this 10. This 10 is still on. See? This 10 right here is the only 10 that's on there. So I'll probably take it off my hand. Nope. It's stuck on there. Wow. Alright, so let's take off the clip that's in the splash shield. So we can back this out. Right there, boom. Take this off. See the difference I'm talking about? Look at it. Look at that shit. Look at that ugly ass shit right here. Look at the ugly. Nice. Let's see, show you again. Ugly. Nice. Look at that. Some people like this. Some people like this color. But look at this. Look at that. Alright, that is it. Once you're done, test them shits, man. Look at that. Whatever color you pick, HIDs or whatever. If it helped you out, you know. Give me a like. Smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe, man. Later.